A man is heading to trial on murder charges in the death of a 4-year-old boy in Gaines Township back in June.
Ellis Nelson Ortiz was bound over to circuit court at the conclusion of his preliminary hearing today. He's charged with murder and first-degree child abuse in the death of his girlfriend's son, Giovanni Mejas. 24-hour News 8 7 Dean was in court today as the boy's mother took the stand. Evan.
Well, Brian and Sue, obviously a very emotional day in court. The victim's mother burst into tears as she recalled what she saw the day her son died.
I see my baby laying on the floor.
Tears in court from the victim's mother, the suspect, and his supporters. Convinced of his innocence, they wore Free Nelson Ortiz t-shirts as the prosecutor laid out her case against him, starting with an officer first to the scene.
He seemed upset with himself, kept saying it was his fault, it's my fault.
Also testifying, the ME who performed Giovanni's autopsy. They showed a diagram with the boy's various injuries.
But the degree and the location and the number of injuries was remarkable.
The prosecution suggesting a pattern of abuse. The ME ultimately ruled the death non-accidental.
The manner of death is homicide.
Caused by a bad injury to the abdomen.
In my opinion, this injury is inflicted with blunt force from an adult individual.
But it's clear that opinion will be argued heavily during the trial. Police say Ortiz was watching over 7 children the day Giovanni died. His defense attorney suggested it could have been the boy's older brother who delivered the blow that killed him. Mom spoke of how the 10-year-old treated Giovanni.
Him, sock him, push him. He was just mean to him.
The defense also suggested that Giovanni could have fallen hard onto something. His mom said the kids like to climb on and jump from the roof. The ME saying both a fall or a child causing the injury, unlikely, but...
I can't say it's impossible, that's correct.
And it appears Ortiz has more than just his family on his side. The victim's mother wearing a shirt with the photo of the two. She claims he was great with her kids.
Did you ever witness Nelson physically discipline kids?
Never.
Now, Ortiz waived his arraignment in circuit court and entered a not guilty plea, so the case will indeed now go to trial, and we will continue to follow it.